The wolves never stay at bay, lurking in the shadows of the woods, their presence felt even when unseen. As the sun begins to rise, the forest awakens, revealing the signs of the unseen wolves that roam with quiet confidence. With each leap and bound, the wolf asserts its dominance over the land, a reminder that they are always near, never truly at bay. As the day turns to night, the pack gathers on the ridge, their silhouettes outlined by the fading light, a powerful reminder of their untamed presence.